Locate the two pedals in the packaging. Next, inspect each pedal to identify which side you're attaching by checking the markings on the pedal itself. Additionally, take note of the rotation direction indicated on the pedal screw. Insert the pedal screw into its designated position as demonstrated. Prepare a 16 mm wrench. Please note that it is not included in the box. Then, rotate the screw in the specified direction and ensure it is securely tightened. Once it is properly tightened, the pedal is ready for use. Repeat the identical procedure on the other side as well. Make sure that you have correctly positioned the pedal according to the markings before securing it. Your pedals are now properly installed and ready for use.